Well, it's time for our second annual Academy Award movie review. With us once again is renowned film critic. Dude, you got any popcorn? Dougie, you can't talk when you're chewing. Sure I can, I just can't talk when you're chewing. Okay, look, anyway, here he is, film critic, Dougie Scott Walker. Oh, dude, I love that movie. Dougie, that's not a movie, that's your name. Oh, yeah, no wonder it sounded familiar. Who played Dougie? Okay, look, so Dougie, I'll mention a movie from this past year, and you tell us what you think of it. First movie, Life of Pi. Life of Pi, Isn't that a movie about Chris Christie? No, it's about a man on a boat with a tiger. Oh, I missed that. But I did see Life of Vicky. It's about a man on a yacht with a cougar. Be afraid, be very afraid. I can't imagine. Okay, how about Lincoln? Oh, I got thrown out of that. How come? I kept yelling at the screen, "Don't go to the theater, it's a trap!" How about, let's do Les Miserables. No, you mean Les Miserables. Okay, yeah, what do you think about it? I got thrown out of that, too. I kept yelling at the screen, "Don't go to the theater, it's boring!" Okay, so what about Les Miserables did you not like? All the singing. Well, I thought you liked singing. Only when puppets do it. Besides, that movie was way too scary. Well, what was scary about Les Miserables? Didn't you hear Russell Crowe sing? All right, let's talk about other nominees. Zero Dark 30. Oh, I hate sequels, dude. Besides, I missed the first Zero Dark 1 through 29. All right, well, Zero Dark 30 was about the mission to kill Osama bin Laden. Yeah, they should have just sent him tickets to Les Miserables. Okay, so what's your pick for best special effects? Any movie that you see in Washington State that my glaucoma medicine is legal in. Dude, last time I went to the movies in Seattle, I spent $600 at the wrestling stand. Okay. Best makeup, Lincoln. They made that dude in that look just like Daniel Day-Lewis. Woo! Okay, best actor. I really like Flight. Denzel drinks and parties just like me. Okay. And finally, what is your choice for best picture of 2013? The Hobbit. Dude, hobbits are 3 foot 6 inches tall with hairy feet. I can relate. Well, it's not nominated for Best Picture. Then how about Best Short Subject? All right, that's it for this year. Go to our Facebook page and send us your movie reviews. Woo!